boneless, skinless chicken thighs for chicken tacos tonight on the Nomad. Smelling and looking amazing. Buddy, y'all check this out. Look at that sear on there. Looking awesome. They're almost done. Probably another 10 degrees. And they will be done. Quick and easy weeknight meal. Go Rangers.